Violet's Fairy Tale Adventures.
In the heart of Whispering Woods, a wise old owl named Oliver opened his wings to call his friends.
Tonight the Animal Detective Club meets again.
He hooted with excitement. A playful fox named Felix rushed in, his tail swishing.
Any mysteries tonight, Oliver?
Bria, the brave squirrel, landed beside them.
I'm ready for an adventure!
She chirped. Suddenly, a rabbit hopped over, looking worried.
Someone took all the berries from our patch.
Oliver's eyes sparkled.
This is a case for the Animal Detective Club.
The friends promised to solve it together, each using their unique talents. Felix sniffed the ground with his sharp nose.
I smell footprints leading east.
Bria darted up the trees, scanning the horizon.
I see broken branches this way.
Oliver flapped overhead, guiding them.
Good teamwork, detectives. Let's follow the clues.
Deep in the forest, they found a family of hedgehogs, their paws stained with berry juice. Bria asked kindly,
Why did you take all the berries?
The smallest hedgehog squeaked.
We were so hungry and we didn't know who to ask.
Oliver nodded gently.
So sometimes hunger makes us forget to share, but honesty is better.
Felix wagged his tail.
What if we help you gather food instead?
The hedgehog's eyes lit up with hope.
You do that for us?
Together, the animals worked hard, collecting berries and nuts across the forest. They laughed, shared, and sang, turning work into fun through teamwork. Soon, the hedgehogs had plenty of food and promised never to take without asking. Oliver hooted proudly.
Mystery solved with empathy and care.
Bria puffed out her chest.
Teamwork really makes us stronger.
Felix grinned.
And being kind makes us all happier.
The forest animals gathered, clapping their paws and cheering the detectives. The hedgehogs shared their feast with everyone as thanks. Stars twinkled above, and the friends felt proud of their first solved case. Oliver raised a wing.
Detective Club. Tonight we learned the power of empathy.
Bria added,
Helping others is braver than solving puzzles alone.
Felix wagged happily.
And kindness always leads to friendship.
The club vowed to always use honesty, courage, and care in their missions. They built a glowing lantern, their symbol of light and unity. Every animal in the forest admired the lantern, shining with teamwork's magic. The Animal Detective Club marched proudly into the night, ready for their next adventure. Teamwork, empathy, honesty, and kindness solve problems and create lasting friendships.
Wow, that was magical, wasn't it? Thanks for joining the adventure. Don't forget to smile, dream big, and believe in yourself. See you in the next story. It's going to be even more exciting. Bye-bye, little stars.